Hello viewers. A lot of users actually want to buy iPad Air 5th generation and some want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, but they are in confusion which tablet is better for them. If you compare the price, there is a prominent gap in price between these two products. iPad Air 5th generation is selling at 59,000 rupees for the 64GB version, whereas you can buy OnePlus Pad 2 at about 38,000 rupees. So it will be unfair to compare these two devices, yet some users want to know about these two products, so I am making this video. iPad Air 5th generation comes with Apple M1 chipset, which is very powerful and you can do all the tasks in this tablet. The only drawback with this tablet is the 64GB of internal storage for the base version. Though it is a powerhouse, it will run out of storage after few days. On the other hand, if you buy OnePlus Pad 2, you will get 256GB at 38,000 rupees, and during offers you can get a very good discount and you can buy this product at 33,000 or 34,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. However, the price of iPad Air 5th generation will also decrease and you can buy that product at about 42,000 rupees using credit cards. So, if you use iPhone, in that case iPad Air 5th generation will be best for you, but if you use any Android smartphone, in that case you should buy OnePlus Pad 2. The display quality of iPad Air 5th generation is excellent. You can play 4K 60 FPS HDR videos on YouTube, and also it comes with Retina display that is laminated. So in this regard, the display of iPad Air 5th generation will be excellent. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad 2 comes with an LCD display. They should have provided at least AMOLED display. However, the display quality of OnePlus Pad 2 is equally good. Both the tablets have pen support, but you have to buy the stylus or pencil separately. In case of iPad Air 5th generation, you have to buy the ipencil by spending around 7,000 rupees, and in case of OnePlus Pad 2, you have to buy Stylo 2.0 by spending around 5,000 rupees. So if you ask me, I would suggest you to go for OnePlus Pad 2 because you are getting 256GB of storage and a very good processor, that is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. But if you want to buy iPad Air 5th generation, you have to keep in mind that 64GB will be very less in the long run. So what's your thought regarding this tablet? Let me know in the comment sections below. I will post another video on smartphones and tablets deals, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.